Well, firstly, it's both a noun and a verb. You both have an enterprise architecture and you do enterprise architecture. I'll just cover the noun in this video. Start with a slightly tongue-in-cheek statement. Well, it's the architecture of the enterprise. Let's look at both of those words. So the architecture is all the people, processes, data, and technology that you need in your organization to deliver your products and services to your customers. That is your architecture. Enterprise, well, it really could be either a single business unit, providing that business unit operates entirely independently. It could be a whole organization, one enterprise. It could actually be many organizations. For example, in Australia, the Murray-Darling Basin Authority, that is loads of organizations all working for one outcome, one enterprise to achieve one outcome. Another way of looking at it is in a simple analogy. It is really the town plan for your organization's business and IT systems. And like a town plan, it has both your current state, where is the town today, but also the target state in a defined period. Where do we want to be? What is our vision for our city or our town, or in this case, organization? You might call that your beacon on the hill. The interesting thing is that every organization has an enterprise architecture. The only question is whether it's accidental or it's planned, and whether it's documented or undocumented or only in people's heads. Critically, it must cover the entire enterprise. It is unambiguous in Fragile to Agile's view that enterprise architecture includes both the business architecture, your user experience design, your processes, your capabilities, your business security, and the technology, of course, your systems, your integration, your security, etc. But to be a true enterprise architecture, it has to cover both those components, your business architecture and your technology architecture. Done right, it is about turning your strategy into execution. It joins all the dots of all of those complex pieces and it brings them together so that you can execute your strategy with confidence while minimizing total cost of ownership and risk during the execution, and critically maximizing the benefits and resulting agility you get from making these changes.